Hello. When it comes to creating wealth for yourself, it's important to understand the three pillars of wealth creation. The first pillar is having a high savings rate. This means setting aside a portion of your income to save for the future and investing in assets that can appreciate in value. The second pillar is investing to achieve a positive real return from your investments. This means earning more from your investments than your inflation rates so that your money can grow over time. The third and often overlooked pillar is managing debt to leverage other people's money. This means leveraging the money you borrow to gain access to higher returns with the understanding that you must pay back the loan with interest. Understanding these three pillars and making an effort to implement them into your financial plan can help your wealth increase over time. If you need help in managing your money, please book a free consultancy call on bookme.planetwealth.in. Thank you.